Bonjour, welcome back dear children. So this is day 4 part 2. In the previous video we have learned about the alphabets and their pronunciation in French. So now in this video we are going to learn about French accents. So what are accents? Les accents sont des caractères mis sous ou sous des lettres en français qui modifient la prononciation des lettres. Accents are symbols placed above and below some letters in French which change the pronunciation of letters. Alright. So you may have noticed a little dash on letter E, and sometimes it goes in one way and sometimes another way. So they have a purpose. It means something. So basically they are used to give sound to the letters. So first let us concentrate on accent aigu. You can see that little dash is going from left to right side. And this accent gives a sound of A to the letter E. Alright, it gives the sound of A to letter E in French. Let us have some examples. Le bébé. Meanings are also given to you. The baby. L'été. Le café. L'épaule. L'école. Here you can see the pronunciation of A becomes A. Le bébé. So this accent aigu is giving the sound of A to letter E. Alright. Now let's move on to the EXO Graph, second accent. You may notice these accents on letter E, A and U. That is letter E, A and U. But I have highlighted letter E here. Why? Because mostly you will find EXO Graph on letter E. It is very rare that you will find EXO Graph on A and U. Alright. So this accent gives the sound of A to the letters. But the sound will not change if this accent is on the letter A or U, that is A or U. It will only give sound to letter E. I hope that is clear to you. Let us read the examples now. Le frère, which means brother. Le père, the father. Here you can see the sound A is coming for letter E. Alright. La mère, the mother. Très means very. Crème or A. Alright. So here we are listening the sound of A on letter E. That means E. Now you can also find accent grave and accent aigu together in one word. Let us see some examples. Eleve means pupil. Eleve. Here you can hear the pronunciation first A and then A. Eleve. Ellen. Deja. Alright. Now the third exon is exon circumflex. And you will find this exon on letter A, E, E, U, U. Alright, that is on letters A, E, I, O, U. And they are looking like a hat on the letters. Alright, so the use of this exon is basically it replaces letter S from the word. Let us see the examples. Forest means forest. Teth means head. Fête means festival or party. Hotel means hotel. Pâte means pasta. Hôpital means hospital. Here you can see this exon circumflex is replacing S in most of the words. Alright, so that is the use of exon circumflex. Now, next one is exon tremor. And you will find this exon on the letters E, E and U. That is E, I and U. So they are like two little dots and they doesn't quite change the sound of the letter, but when we have two vowels next to each other, there both the sound of the vowels must be pronounced. So that is the use of exon tremor, that we pronounce both the vowels. For example, lame. If the exon is not there, we'll pronounce it may. Otherwise, with exon, it should be pronounced maze. Both I and S are having sounds. Lames, which means sweet corn. Otherwise, it will be may, which means but. Next example is Noel. E is also having the sound and O is also having the sound. Noel. Alright. Now, the last exon is exon cedille. The use of this exon is, it basically gives the sound of S to C. Although it is C and it is also looking like S, but it is not S, it is C. Alright, but it is pronounced as S if we have this exon cedille under the letter C. Alright, let's see some examples. La leçon, which means the lesson. Le garçon means the boy. Le français, the French. Ça va, which means okay. Reçu means received. Here you must have heard that all the letters are sounding S, not C. Otherwise, they might have been pronounced as la lecon. But there is no such word like lecon. That will be a wrong pronunciation. So that is why we have exon cedille and it is giving the sound of S to C. Alright, So practice the exon, the accents again, and we'll meet in the next video. So that is the end. Au revoir, à bientôt.